Okay, good evening. So, Bhumika, you got your feedback, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes. And what did you note? What was your takeaway?
So from that, like the concept clarity was there, but how to write or how to, present your answers was not present entirely. And even the why or justification was not up to the mark.
And see, right now, it's not so much of a question of how to write. Because see, what I gave you was a task for analysis. पेपर में तो आपको ये anyway लिखना नहीं है. पेपर में आपको कुछ और लिखना है. उस पे तो अभी तक हम आए नहीं है. Here I wanted to see if you have the ability to read the material and understand what it means. ठीक है. मेरा फोकस वो था कि आफ्टर वी हैव डिस्कस्ड एंड आइडेंटिफाइड सर्टन पॉइंट्स, आर यू एबल टू make sense around those. So today what I will do is the written analysis that we did the other day. Today I'm going to focus on उसका एक प्री सीन का 10 पेज का एनालिसिस दैट आई हैव डन बेसिस द मटेरियल दैट वी सॉ. ठीक है. तो वो कोरजेट्स वाला मटेरियल अभी हम देखेंगे. देन यू विल बी एबल टू कंपेयर कि यार आपका जो थॉट प्रोसेस था ऑन एनालिसिस है, उसमें वर यू एबल टू मैप वेदर ऑब्जेक्टिव्स आर बीइंग अचीव्ड, वेदर एक्स वाई जेड इज हैपनिंग और नॉट. वो एक आपको समझ में आएगा. उसके बाद देन वील गो इनटू रीडिंग द एग्जिबिट्स टुमारो. सो आज सेशन इज प्री सीन मटेरियल. ठीक है. टुमारो सेशन इज गोइंग टू बी ऑन एनालिसिस ऑफ दैट. अब एग्जिबिट्स देखेंगे, क्वेश्चंस देखेंगे. सो टुमारो इज थर्सडे. थर्सडे को वो देखेंगे. फ्राइडे को वील फ्रेम द आंसर. सो द फर्स्ट सेशन आई वांटेड इट टू बी दैट वे, सो दैट एक आपको फुल फ्लेजेड एसबीएल पेपर का एक जो जर्नी एक्सपीरियंस है, यू शुड गेट दैट. नाउ वील गो इनटू एनालिसिस ऑफ द मटेरियल. ठीक है. चलो. नाउ आई हैव माय वर्ड फाइल विथ मी. नाउ first thing that you should always do is, see, I told you we were underlining certain points and making list of certain things. There are a lot of factual data points in this question. सारे क्वेश्चन में नहीं होते हैं, बट इन सो मेनी क्वेश्चंस इट इज अ स्टार्टिंग ऑफ पॉइंट कि जो फैक्चुअल डेटा है. ठीक है. नाउ द कंपनी इज एस्टैब्लिश 20 years ago. It has roughly 300 aircrafts. It operates 1,000 routes historically. For example, operates to and from 130 plus airports. Fleet average. So, what is this data? This data is giving you an idea कि ये इसके फैक्चुअल डेटा पॉइंट्स क्या है. कितना सीटिंग कैपेसिटी है, हाउ, सी, the fact that this has a higher seating density as compared to regular aircrafts, that is a fact. अब उसके basis पे, because of that reason they are able to charge less per flight. That is the consequence of having a higher seating density. Right. Now there are roughly 11,800 staff members, which contains 2,000 pilots and 6,500 cabin crew. ठीक है. You also have you'll also have to understand कि ये कंपनी कब लिस्ट हुआ था. फाउंडर्स इनिशियली रिटेन 35%. आई थिंक दीज आर ऑल द पॉइंट्स दैट वी रोट ऑन द राइट हैंड साइड, है ना. जो एक्सेल शीट था उसके राइट हैंड साइड में वी हैड रिटन डाउन दीज पॉइंट्स. नाउ कंपैरिजन विथ पियर्स. लेट मी ओपन द प्री सीन मटेरियल फॉर यू वंस अगेन. एक मिनट दो मुझे. या जो ग्रुप पे भेजा था, वेयर डिड इट वैनिश. हाँ. अच्छा, इफ यू हैव ऑफिस हैपनिंग ऑन द साइड इट्स ओके. हाँ, आप बाद में रिकॉर्डिंग देख सकते हो. इट्स नॉट ए एफ एम एस बी आर की आई नीड यू टू बी सो अटेंटिव. चलता है थोड़ा सा. ओके. लेट्स गो बैक टू द क्वेश्चन एंड लेट्स गो बैक टू द प्री सीन दैट वी हैव सीन. ठीक है. अब यहाँ पे हमने क्या क्या देखा था. यहाँ पे we are writing about number of passengers transported. We wrote about less trade barriers, low cost airline है. Then it handles human traffic हो गया, cargo हो गया, all of those points. ठीक है. नाउ वी हैड सो मच इंफॉर्मेशन गिवन टू अस इन द फॉर्म ऑफ ग्राफ. किस टाइप का इंफॉर्मेशन था? हैव अ लुक एट दिस. If you look at this graph, it tells you that how many 27 plus 3, there are 30 operators in this country, right? And what do these 30 operators give you? Other airlines, these 27 operators together make up 60%. Brig Air makes 17%, Corjets is 14%, Lackland is 9%. ठीक है. अब routes and passengers in million. Now the revenue and cost data, where are we getting that from? The revenue and cost data we are getting here. रेवेन्यू है, प्रॉफिट बिफोर टैक्स है. ठीक है. नाउ लेट मी मैग्नीफाई दिस अ लिटिल. यहाँ पे कितना दिख रहा है आपको? दिस इज बिटवीन 5,000 एंड 6,000. सो मे बी दिस इज समथिंग लाइक अ 5,250. एग्जैक्टली हाफ पे नहीं है. मे बी दिस इज लाइक अ 5,250. एंड आपका प्रॉफिट कितना है? आपका पीबीटी इज अराउंड से 510, 520 के आसपास होगा. राइट. सो वॉट इंफॉर्मेशन हैव आई गैदर्ड बाय लुकिंग एट दिस डेटा? कि यार मेरा रेवेन्यू कितना है? रेवेन्यू विच इज से 5,250. एंड प्रॉफिट बिफोर टैक्स कितना है? मे बी से 510. तो कॉस्ट कितना होगा? सीरीज आर, ये एएफएम का क्वेश्चन नहीं है. 520 की जगह 510 भी हुआ तो चलता है. व्हाट आई एम ट्राइंग टू से इज कि इट इज अ लिटिल अबव 500, नॉट वेरी मच अबव 500. तो कॉस्ट कितना है आपका? व्हाट इज द परसेंटेज? से 90% इज द आर ऑल द ऑपरेटिंग कॉस्ट इन द ईयर 2002. फिर आप 2001 देखेंगे. इसमें कितना दिख रहा है आपको? 2001 में रेवेन्यू इज स्लाइटली लेस. तो अगर ये 5,250 मैंने पकड़ा तो मे बी दिस इज 5,100. ठीक है. ये कितना है? दिस इज समवेयर बिटवीन 400, 500, अराउंड 480 के आसपास. ठीक है. तो कॉस्ट कितना होगा? सिमिलर, मतलब यू सी, एक सिमिलर टाइप ऑफ कॉस्ट एज अ परसेंटेज ऑफ रेवेन्यू आपको दिख रहा है. सो दिस वाज द एनालिसिस दैट आई वांटेड यू टू डू. कि what is revenue, what is profit as a percentage of cost, what is, sorry, profit as a percentage of revenue, what is cost as a percentage of revenue, what is ROCE. अगर आप देखोगे तो ROCE has been 11, then it has been around 12.5 maybe, then it has dropped down to 10.6 maybe. फिर देखो यहाँ पे it's very close to 12, again it has gone up. तो I wanted you to do that. अब ये देखो कॉस्ट का ब्रेकडाउन दिया है अपने को. यहाँ पे व्हाट आर द कॉस्ट्स? सी, फ्यूल कॉस्ट्स मेक अप 22%, एयरपोर्ट ग्राउंड हैंडलिंग कॉस्ट मेक्स 27%, सेल्स एंड मार्केटिंग मेक्स अप 4%, मेंटेनेंस कॉस्ट ऑफ ओन्ड एयरक्राफ्ट मेक्स अप 6%, एयर ट्रैफिक कंट्रोल कॉस्ट इज 9%, क्रू कॉस्ट इज 15%. बेसिकली दिस इज द कॉस्ट ब्रेकअप. तो आपको सार क्रू कॉस्ट इज इंक्लूड सैलरी एंड ट्रेनिंग कॉस्ट फॉर पायलट्स एंड कैबिन क्रू. Other includes IT and head office administrative function costs such as finance, customer service and HR management. ठीक है. Now, what purpose does this information serve? आपको जब एग्जिबिट दिया जाएगा, at that time you should know the cost breakdown. Maybe the company intends to be a cost leader, which is the case in this situation, and they are a low cost airline. Maybe, see, you should not try to predict what data will come और what exhibit will come in the paper. बट आपको कॉस्ट देख के ये तो पता चल सकता है ना कि these are cost drivers for certain other costs, right? If these are cost drivers for certain other costs, then how exactly is this affecting the uh, how is the cost getting affected if you know the cost driver? फिर ये कस्टमर सेटिस्फैक्शन सर्वे है. वी स्टार्टेड विथ अराउंड लेस देन 74%, वी हैव रीच्ड अराउंड 78%. तो वो ग्रोथ तो हुआ है अपने डेटा में. करेक्ट. सो ये सारा इंफॉर्मेशन इज व्हाट आई वांटेड यू टू एनालाइज. Data given in the form of graphs was the analysis focus. Now, this is exactly what I have put together. Financial or operational snapshot. Revenue and profit before tax have grown year on year. ROCE, हाई टीन्स लो, 1920. टीन्स मतलब वो आपका 1920, 19, 18, 17, दैट इज व्हाट द वर्ड टीन्स मीन्स. KPIs provided, punctuality 78 to 80% is in 2002. Customer satisfaction is 77 to 78% in 2002. Cost breakdown है आपके पास. Competitors, others are 60%, LKK is 9, Corjets is 14, Brigade is 17. So Corjets is not the biggest player in the market, right? Then technology, strong digital capabilities, mobile app, booking, mobile boarding pass. So I'm just putting together all the facts. None of this is not an analysis. This is just whatever we wrote on the right hand side. कि जो भी हमने लिखा था या जो भी डेटा था उसको जस्ट मैंने एक के नीचे एक लिख दिया. दैट इज द फर्स्ट थिंग दैट वी आर गोइंग टू डू इन एनी प्री सीन एनालिसिस. इसमें कोई भी डोंट फील कि अरे मेरा आंसर एसबीएल लेवल का नहीं है. एसबीएल का कोई लेवल ही नहीं है, ऐसे समझो. आई कांट प्रिटेंड अदरवाइज ना. अदरवाइज आप बोलोगे यार ये आदमी झूठ बोलता है, दूसरे क्लास में बोलता है एसबीएल ऐसा है, फिर इधर बोलता है वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. सी, इंपॉर्टेंट इज फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल गेटिंग दिस डेटा इन प्लेस. ठीक है ना. इंडस्ट्री एनालिसिस, two business models: full service carrier, low cost carrier. Low cost trend is increasing. People don't want, those luxury large scale aircrafts. What are the network models? Point to point and hub spoke. Point to point model and hub spoke was that one central airport where everyone comes, and then from there you go to other locations. All locations are not connected with each other. Then talking about demand, cyclical and correlated with economic growth or tourism. Leisure travel is a main market for low cost carriers. अब capacity constraints, ATC and that is air traffic control and airport slot scarcity, increasing delays, airports charging higher ground handling fees, which was reflected in the cost structure. 27% यहाँ से आ रहा है. तो this information, now you are putting all the information together. ठीक है. देन की इंडस्ट्री इकोनॉमिक्स, कॉस्ट बेस, हाई फिक्स कॉस्ट, एयरक्राफ्ट एक्विजिशन, ओनरशिप, मेंटेनेंस, लार्ज वेरिएबल एक्सपोजर टू फ्यूल एंड एयरपोर्ट चार्जेस. राइट. सो व्हाट इज दिस डेटा टेलिंग यू? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल इट इज टेलिंग यू कि कंपनी का कॉस्ट स्ट्रक्चर क्या है. सी, दिस इज अ हाई फिक्स कॉस्ट कंपनी, विच ऑटोमेटिकली शुड टेल यू कि यार ये हाई रिस्क फैक्टर भी है. राइट. रिस्क इज ऑलवेज ऑन अकाउंट ऑफ फिक्स्ड कॉस्ट, और यहाँ पे दैट रिस्क इज हाई. Then unit economics, ASK, RPK, load factor, RASK. Use these when evaluating revenue, capacity, trade-offs or pricing. Competitive environment, intense price competition, scale and route density, ancillary revenues for low cost carriers. वो भी हमने लिखा था that they are trying to find out ancillary sources of earning revenue. ठीक है. Then what are the stakeholder pressures? Regulators, they want safety, flight safety, environment. Airport slots and charges are a problem. Customers would prefer high punctuality, low price. Investors, ROCE slash profit. Employees and unions, they would have a different set of expectations. Up, what are some of the strengths of the company? Clear, low cost, point to point model, well aligned to leisure market. मॉडर्न यंग फ्लीट. सी, आपका टू व्हीलर भी जब न्यू होता है तो उसमें रिपेयर मेंटेनेंस कम लगता है ना. सो प्लस एवरेज भी ज़्यादा देता है. सेम थिंग हियर. व्हेन यू से दैट, वहाँ पे लिखा है ना, नॉट अ सिंगल एयरक्राफ्ट इज मोर देन 5 years, और मोस्ट ऑफ द एयरक्राफ्ट्स आर नॉट 5 years, older than 5 years in terms of age. That means there is fuel efficiency, lower maintenance, helps sustainability. Then what else is एक मैंने एनालिसिस बोला था, SWOT एनालिसिस करना है. राइट. देन strong digital capability, cost saving, customer experience, data analytics advantage is also a strength. Large route network, 130 airports, many destinations, good market share. इसी का बात हो रहा था ना. स्ट्रेंथ इज व्हाट यू आर डूइंग वेल, स्ट्रेंथ इज व्हाट वर्क्स वेल फॉर यू, एंड आई थिंक दिस इज talking exactly about that. Cost discipline, high density increases revenue per flight, and long term supplier relationships, that also they have mentioned, and experienced leadership continuity. The CEO has been there for 10 years. I was just talking to someone beach mein, he said, why don't elections happen every 3 years? Maybe one of the reasons is कि यार you don't want economy to go through, sudden पॉलिटिकल चेंजेस एवरी टाइम, तो 5 साल गवर्नमेंट होता है यहाँ पे। दिस पर्सन हैज बीन द सीईओ फॉर अ गुड अमाउंट ऑफ टाइम, करेक्ट? सो दैट इज अ रीजन इनफ फॉर यू टू say कि at least on that front the company experiences a certain kind of stability. Weaknesses क्या है? Significant cost exposure to airport ground handling and fuel risk concentrated cost risk areas. And fuel में एक और issue है. What is the issue? Foreign exchange fluctuations. Fuel का खुद का price also fluctuates. Forex fluctuation भी हो जाता है. Then high reliance on leisure passengers, more revenue cyclicality and price sensitivity. When I say high reliance on leisure passengers, they are not focusing so much on business passengers. अगर हम, if you remember, we had read that point कि वो जो first class है वो है ही नहीं इनके aircraft में, है ना? Mostly it is economy class only. So you are not focusing on different types of passengers, and there is a lot of money to be made in first class tickets, right, Bhumika?
Yes, sir.
Do you fly first class?
No, sir.
मैं तो भाई सीधा इंडिगो में ही जाता हूँ। इंडिगो में कितना ही होगा, दो चार होते हैं बड़े बड़े सीट, बाकी सब तो क्या है फिर। देन एम्प्लॉय मिक्स, relatively high reliance on cabin crew, labor fixed cost is material, ownership concentrated in institutional investors, could push for short term financial performance, ठीक है? And institutional investors, because they have a good chunk focused in them, their approach to this or their expectation could be different, and that could be a weakness for the company. Then opportunities, further expansion on underserved regional routes. There are more routes. You are operating 130 routes, there could be more routes, and that could be an opportunity for expansion. They were talking about other fees, ancillary sources of revenue, ठीक है? And what all is included there? Baggage fees, upsells, in-flight services, ठीक है? Then monetize digital data, personalized offers, dynamic pricing. अब ये जो पॉइंट है, थर्ड पॉइंट, here we have stepped out of the confines of the data given to us, ठीक है? तो ऐसा वाला जो पॉइंट है, ये मैंने यहां पे लिखा है, बट दिस इज समथिंग दैट यू शुड थिंक ऑफ ट्वाइस बिफोर मेंशनिंग. See, what happens is when we are doing this kind of analysis na, we often tend to get carried away with information because we think that अरे यार, ये जो business है, ये business हमें पता है, and we know how the aircraft and airline industry works, and we have seen targeted ads coming to us all the time. So you want to add your own tadka to it. Avoid doing that. Sustainability investments, carbon offsets, they have mentioned, biofuels is within the confines of the data given to us. ये जो पॉइंट है, ये थोड़ा सा अभी अपना इंटरप्रिटेशन आ गया उसमें. Then partnerships with airports or ground handlers to reduce fees or invest in co-located infrastructure. ये पॉइंट भी था ना, they have long standing partnerships, है ना? Didn't we read that?
Yes, sir.
अब ये इलेक्ट्रॉनिक टच पैड्स एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट, अगेन आई थिंक वी डिस्कस्ड द इंडिगो वाला एग्जांपल ऑल्सो कि इंडिगो के केस में ये चीज कैसे हेल्प करता है, ठीक है? नाउ देन थ्रेट्स, fuel price spikes and foreign exchange movements. Threats are something which are external to the company. Foreign exchange movement happens outside the company, and that leads to a cost fluctuation. Then stricter environmental regulations, carbon taxes, emission taxes, potential cost on restriction ये हो सकता है in the future. ATC congestion and flight slot scarcity could lead to rising cost. That is a threat. Geopolitical events, वो इसमें लिखा था कहाँ पे? कंपनी इन्फो में लिखा था. We have brought that here. And increased competition from other low cost carriers and possible price wars. This data is also very much within the scope of information given to you. Strength, weakness, opportunity, threat. Strength and weakness are internal, opportunity and threat are outside the organization. Writing this is what I wanted you to do. Going through the data, and see, to do SWOT analysis, I don't think you need any great SBL का knowledge ना. कोई, you don't need to know some theory. You know what is SWOT analysis. That is all you are supposed to do. How this will help in the answer, we'll get to know when we open the exhibit. अभी तक हमने exhibit नहीं खोला है, उसमें थोड़ा सा टाइम है. ना, आस्क इज कैपेसिटी, रेवेन्यू पर पैसेंजर किलोमीटर, लोड फैक्टर, यूटिलाइजेशन। ठीक है। अब we are there are these financial and operational KPIs given to you. This is CO2 per passenger, which is used in sustainability reporting. Yeah, it might even be required when there are certain regulatory challenges, as in compliance related requirements हो सकते हैं in the exhibit scheme. Environmental Protection Board has put across this particular system, and we need some sort of a we need to produce certain reports and make certain submissions. Then punctuality and customer satisfaction, it will be linked to profitability and reputation effects. Like people don't want to take a spice jet flight. For what reason? In my life, I have had a bad delay with Indigo only twice. एक बार we were waiting at I was waiting at Nagpur airport for a good 4 hours extra, and once at Mumbai airport. उस टाइम तो मैंने भी हंगामा किया था ऐसे ही, बिकॉज ऑफ कोर्स आई हैड नथिंग एल्स टू डू विथ माय टाइम। क्या करता। that's very much similar to shouting things on LinkedIn. If you know you know। आगे देखो, ऐसे ही कुछ काम नहीं है तो हंगामा कर दो, घर चले जाओ, फ्लाइट तो घर लेके जाएगी एट द एंड ऑफ द डे। एनीवे, now these KPIs that we have seen, these KPIs will help you see there could be certain cost and revenue targets that the company has। ठीक है। कंपनी के कॉस्ट एंड रेवेन्यू टारगेट्स हो सकते हैं, उसमें maybe reduction of CO2 emission could be one of the KPIs that the company makes। So how to track that data, आपको एक बैकग्राउंड इन्फो यहाँ पे दिया है। ठीक है। देन व्हाट आर सम ऑफ द रिस्क रजिस्टर पे मैं थोड़ी देर बाद में आऊंगा, अभी डोंट लुक एट द रिस्क रजिस्टर। स्ट्रेटेजिक इश्यूज एंड ऑप्शंस, फ्यूल एंड फॉरेन एक्सचेंज वोलेटिलिटी हाई प्रायोरिटी इशू है। फ्यूल कॉस्ट इज 22%, कॉस्ट इज सेंसिटिव टू क्रूड ऑयल प्राइस एंड फॉरेक्स। What is the hedging strategy for fuel? Financial hedging कर सकते हैं, the things that we have learnt in AFM, right? And operational hedging, this is individual item related, hoarding, boarding, other approaches you could take. Fleet fuel efficiency, uh, keep on ensuring that next set of aircrafts are ready. Route price mix adjustment to pass through costs and protect margins. Like, having connecting flights, or, all of these things, they do play a role। ठीक है। अब पता नहीं है आपके एग्जिबिट में क्या आएगा, बट आ सकता है, सो वी आर जस्ट वेल इक्विप्ड फॉर दैट। नाउ, एयरपोर्ट ग्राउंड हैंडलिंग फीस एंड स्लॉट स्केर्सिटी। ग्राउंड हैंडलिंग फीस आर 27%, which is the largest component in your cost structure। What you could do is negotiate long-term contracts and strategic partnerships with airports, ground handlers, co-invest in ground handling ops at key airports to reduce unit cost। What is co-invest? फॉर एग्जाम्पल, थिंक ऑफ अ पार्किंग स्पेस। ठीक है। अब भूमिका एंड आई वर्क इन द सेम ऑफिस, फॉर एग्जाम्पल। भूमिका ऑल्सो हैज अ कार, आई ऑल्सो हैव अ कार। शी हैज मॉर्निंग शिफ्ट, आई हैव नाइट शिफ्ट। तो द per month charges of that parking space are 5,000। Now, Bhumika goes and parks in the morning, I go and I park in the evening, है ना। तो वो 5,000 जो है, instead of me taking a slot space and she taking a space, both of us are using the same space and we are spending on that 5,000 just once। We are splitting it between us। That is co-invest or मतलब share the expense that way। Re-optimize network to focus on airports with lower fees or better punctuality। Here we might have to look at a Porter's five forces model, वो हमने किया है आगे। Then talking about technology and cyber website availability। अब there is something known as a denial of service attack। आपका वेबसाइट खुलता ही नहीं है। So because you are so highly dependent on tech, there is a possibility that if there is a virus attack, malware attack, denial of service ऐसा कुछ हो गया, तो एक तो योर ऑपरेशंस विल गेट सस्पेंडेड। एंड आजकल कोई फोन करके तो बुकिंग करता नहीं है ना, बुकिंग हैपन्स थ्रू अ वेबसाइट, थ्रू एन ऐप। And imagine your servers being down for 3 hours. So many people will end up not getting an opportunity to book and they will go to other airlines. I mean, I would do that. I'm extremely impatient in general also. Then, sustainability and regulatory changes. Mission emphasizes sustainability, industry under pressure, and even the customers are, expected to go in that direction, becoming more and more woke, like your generation. है ना? बस अभी तक यहाँ की जनता वोक नहीं हुई है, फटाके फोड़ रहे हैं बेवकूफ. Then you will have to look at it from a, you know, you will have to invest in sustainable fuels. Think about carbon offset programs. Those are your way out. और ये डेटा मैं अपने मन से नहीं डाल रहा हूँ, ये सारा कुछ जो है ना, ये प्री सीन में था. When we read through that, see, industry under pressure, mission emphasizes sustainability. मैंने बोला था ना, मिशन स्टेटमेंट को लिंक करना है आपको. दिस इज दैट पार्ट. ठीक है. देन वी आर स्पीकिंग अबाउट रेवेन्यू मिक्स एंड डिमांड cyclicality, increase ancillary revenue streams and product segmentation. अब जैसे आज के डेट में दे चार्ज यू ₹250 मोर फॉर प्रायोरिटी बोर्डिंग. दिस इज बेसिकली फॉर दोज पीपल हु आर ऑलवेज लेट एवरीवेयर. है ना? तो दे विल पे ₹400 एक्स्ट्रा एंड दे गेट इजी क्विक एक्सेस टू द बोर्डिंग काउंटर. अदरवाइज लगे रहो 2-2 घंटा लाइन में. देन लेबर एंड ऑपरेशनल एफिशिएंसी, which is, see, right now you have your crew costs are very high, so you will have to plan your workforce better. And workforce, because in a flight that job cannot be done by AI, so you will need your workers and you will need to keep them happy. So these are just points that we have noted in terms of strategic issues and options. ठीक है. अब models from SBL syllabus and what to do about them. I think this is something which everyone starts worrying about. Na ki yaar, I don't know which models to use. Now there are certain models which are very frequently used in the SBL paper. Pestel हो गया, Ansoff हो गया, then Porter's Five Forces हो गया, बहुत frequently आता है. I'm going to give you one PDF exclusively on some 20 models that you can use in the paper. ठीक है. First one is Pestel to analyze macro drivers. Then you have Porter's Five Forces, SWOT, which you have done. Then Vrin, then value chain analysis, Ansoff, scenario planning, balanced scorecard, risk matrix, stakeholder mapping, cost CVP analysis. CVP analysis only if the data gives you that kind of this thing. Otherwise करने का जरूरत नहीं है, because क्या होगा? CVP analysis is basically what? CVP analysis is basically, are you as an organization able to uh, रिकवर ऑल द फिक्स कॉस्ट दैट यू हैव इनकर्ड, राइट? आपका प्रोडक्ट प्रॉफिटेबल हुआ कि नहीं हुआ, उसका एनालिसिस है. सो अगर कॉस्ट का डेटा होगा तो यू डू इट, अदरवाइज देयर इज नो पॉइंट इन डूइंग इट. नाउ ये क्वेश्चंस प्रेडिक्शन पे बाद में जाएंगे, वी विल गो टू दैट पार्ट अ लिटिल लेटर. आई वांट टू गो टू पेस्टल फर्स्ट. Political. Hundria is politically stable. Regional trading bloc allows free movement of people and trade. Geopolitical risks and foreign exchange volatility affect the sector. है ना? The fact that it is in a politically stable economy was written right at the beginning, है ना? So that is the first point, political. Then economic. Airline demand is cyclical and strongly linked to economic growth. Fuel costs are volatile and represent 22% of total cost. Airport charges are rising due to congestion. What is the risk implication? Profitability at risk during downturn or fuel spikes needs hedging and flexible cost structure. Now, social perspective. Leisure travel is growing. Courgettes targets leisure travelers who are price sensitive. Customers increasingly value sustainability and convenience. ये हमने पढ़ा था डेटा में, right? Then technological factors, advanced mobile app, automated baggage systems, in-flight collection, data collection, electronic touchpads for pilots, heavy reliance on IT and web infra. Now the reason why, देखो यहाँ पे मैंने एक पॉइंट इसमें किया था, आइटलिक्स में डाला था. I told you, okay, this is building on the data given to you. This is not the data that is directly given to you. But they did mention कि यार in flight you collect data. Why do you collect data? To tell stories to someone? No. You need that data for what reason? इसके basis पे. If I know your consumption pattern, if I know your buying pattern, I will send ads and promotions to you accordingly. अब you Google something or you check something on Insta, and then immediately you have 30 stories talking about the same point. So that is what that is. Somebody has collected the data and now they are doing targeted marketing. So naturally it helps you in that particular aspect. Then environmental pressure to reduce emission, fleet already fuel efficient and young. What is Corjet's mission? Affordable and sustainable travel. Okay. Advantages over older competitors: should invest further in biofuels, CO2 reduction, and sustainability reporting. These are these are some of the strategic implications that because your fleet of aircrafts is young, you could because then your maintenance charges and all would be lower. Your fuel utilization would be far more efficient, and it will help you in reporting better. Then, legal, aviation safety regulations, environmental standards, slot allocation rules. Board has a safety committee and ERM system. Up, why am I mentioning these points? When you are in the aviation sector, naturally there are rules and regulations to be followed. The airport allocation of slots and all of that, that is also critical. And when you are using Pestle, आपको every item के लिए maybe you will not find enough information. But when you go through that, at least see what is Pestle analysis. These are political, economic, social, technological, environmental, legal factors affecting the business. These are not necessarily risks. ये रिस्क नहीं है necessarily. ये opportunities नहीं है. These are just factors. These might give rise to opportunities and risks for the company. But when I'm talking about Pestle, what I'm basically doing is I'm looking at the environment in which you are operating. ठीक है. I am looking at the environment in which you are operating, and then I'm putting together that information for what purpose? I'm trying to analyze the environment and its impact on the success of the entity. ठीक है, तो आपको उस एंगल से उसको चेक करना पड़ेगा. Then Porter's five forces. Now tell me, what are the five elements in Porter's five forces?
Sir, new entry.
Threat of new entrants. Okay.
Competition.
Rivalry amongst existing competitors. Okay.
Substitute.
Customer power.
Bargaining power of suppliers. Okay. What else?
Bargaining power of customers.
Bargaining power of customers and threat of
Substitutes.
Okay. Now, looking at this data, rivalry amongst existing competitors. There are 30 low-cost airlines, including Brig Air, Gorjets, LKK, and 27 others. Highly competitive है, naturally price driven. ठीक है, ये बाद में देखते हैं. Threat of new entrants. Barriers to entry, moderate. Aircraft leasing makes entry possible, but airport slots and brand loyalty deter new entrants. ठीक है. When I say barriers to entry, moderate, that means, see, if you have high capital intensive requirements, that increases the barriers to entry, right? If you have say for example a lot of compliance requirements or getting licenses and all of that, that makes it difficult for new entrants to enter. But because of leasing facility, वहां पे mentioned है ना कि there are certain aircrafts which are leased and certain aircrafts which are owned. तो leasing is, instead of paying 2 crores for buying an aircraft, you can pay 20 lakh rupees and get the aircraft on lease. So that makes entry of new participants easier. ठीक है. What is the impact on Corjets? Corjets has an established network of 130 airports and relationship with airport ground handlers, and that could be a key barrier. So, Abhi, what is the severity of the risk? The risk is that न्यू एंट्रेंट्स आ सकते हैं, बट कॉर्जेट्स का ऑलरेडी एस्टेब्लिश नेटवर्क है. इट इज इन टच विथ सो मेनी पार्टिसिपेंट्स ऑन द suppliers है, and ground handlers है, everyone, it is in touch with all of them. So naturally, it has an advantage over a new person who is going to enter the market, right? Then bargaining power of suppliers. Uh, Airports and ground handlers, that is 27% of the cost. Fuel suppliers 22%. See, airport authorities and ground handling cost, that is 27%. So अब ये जो airports in India, for example, they are owned by the airports authority, right? Now, they know that a huge chunk of your cost goes towards uh, ground handling charges. So they will have a strong bargaining power. And if they change the price, that automatically impacts you. If they increase, say for example, आपका parking charge of the aircraft is per hour 5 lakh rupees per hour. उन्होंने थोड़ा सा भी इंक्रीज कर दिया तो suddenly there is a huge impact on cash flow, right? And then fuel suppliers, they hold strong power. As in, why do fuel suppliers hold a strong power? Because a fuel cost is critical. That keeps on fluctuating. बिना फ्यूल के तो आप एयरक्राफ्ट उड़ा भी नहीं पाओगे. Plus, there is foreign exchange fluctuation there. Because of this reason, again, this becomes a very critical weakness. Bargaining power of suppliers. उनका मूड ऑफ हो गया, उन्होंने प्राइस चेंज कर दिया, आप रोते रहो फिर. Then, bargaining power of customers is high. Leisure passengers are price sensitive and can switch easily to other low cost airlines. ठीक है. Corjets must differentiate through reliability, punctuality, app experience, and low fares. See, bargaining power of customers, see, उनके पास भी तो 30 different players है ना. They don't have to come just to you. They have 30 different players to whom they can go for booking a flight. That can automatically help you in that will help the customers in switching very easily. Loyalty का तो concept ही नहीं है. That means bargaining power of customers is also high, but it is not as critical a problem as the previous one, because here you can differentiate through reliability, punctuality, app experience, and low fares. Correct? Then threat of substitutes, low to medium. Alternatives include trains or road transport for short routes. Online business meetings may reduce travel demand. I mean, I don't travel for meetings anymore. Most of them are conducted online thanks to COVID. ठीक है. Impact on corjets could reduce short haul demand. Corjets should focus on leisure and tourism heavy routes because that seems to be their major strength, so to say. So this is your Porter's five forces. Porter's five forces ना आप सारे क्वेश्चन में पकड़ के चलो कि आपको करना ही है. मतलब when you are doing the pre-scene analysis, Porter's five forces is something you will do. Pestle is something that you should definitely do. ठीक है. अब एक बार go through this SWOT analysis once. I have just put it together in one place. ठीक है. अब ये बताओ, एंड ऑनेस्टली बताओ, हैव यू अप्लाइड एनी एनीथिंग विच इज बियॉन्ड द बाउंड्रीज ऑफ कॉमन सेंस? ऐसा कुछ भी अप्लाई किया है आपने? नहीं. ठीक है, देखते हैं. आपको गारंटी नहीं होगा अभी. 3 पेपर के बाद यू विल रियलाइज कि हाउ दिस पेपर इज फोकस्ड सोली ऑन कॉमन सेंस. बट यस, व्हेन यू आस्क दिस क्वेश्चन कि अरे आई डोंट नो विच मॉडल्स टू अप्लाई, तो इतने तो मॉडल है ही नहीं ना। पेस्टल हर बार करना है, पोर्टस फाइव फोर्सेस करना है, मेंडेलोज मैट्रिक्स करना है, वही चीजें बार बार करनी है आपको, राइट? नाउ व्हाट इज वैल्यू चेन एनालिसिस, कैन यू टेल मी? डू यू रिमेंबर प्राइमरी एक्टिविटी, सेकेंडरी एक्टिविटी? बताओ। व्हाट एक्टिविटीज आर कंसिडर्ड प्राइमरी? नहीं पता? स्माइलिंग इज नॉट द आंसर ना। कुछ तो होगा, कुछ तो याद होगा। यस,
Sir,
इनबाउंड।
inbound logistics.
ओके, देन operations, outbound logistics, marketing, sales and service. Correct. अब वैल्यूएशन एनालिसिस, व्हाई डू वी परफॉर्म दैट बाय द वे? क्यों करते हैं हम? To understand where exactly is value created, where are the costs incurred, what are value adding activities and what are not. Correct. ये देखो, fuel supply and aircraft maintenance, inbound logistics, strategic supplier deals for maintenance, invest in predictive maintenance. Then operations, point to point model, high aircraft utilization, no frills service. This is where you can create value by ensuring that there is better utilization and you don't add too many features to it. Basic service along with a couple of add-ons, not spending too much on that. That can help you to keep costs under control. Outbound logistics, ground handling, 27%. This is the largest cost. Opportunity to partner or co-own ground services. ठीक है? When we use the word no frills means not too many add-on options that are available. It's like going to a Subway and just getting two, sauces there. When they give you an option of 10 sauces, that means they'll have to have that much space for storage also, and your cost will go up that much. So no frills service is like a basic service without having too many add-on features. ठीक है? Then we have outbound logistics, which is the ground handling charges. And there we saw there that you have an opportunity to partner or co-own ground services. Marketing and sales, 4% cost relies on online direct bookings. Expand digital marketing and ancillary sales through the app. And the service part of it is mobile app plus automated check-in gives you more efficiency. And now the question might be asked on any of these aspects. At least ये analysis करने के बाद अपने को क्या पता है? We know exactly where all the company is adding value and what is the cost exposure. कहाँ पे risk ज्यादा है? For example, ground handling, we have been, I think, revisiting that point. The risk is the highest because that forms the biggest part of your cost. ठीक है? Then, चलो, Ansoff matrix. Tell me the strategies there, growth option strategies. देखा है?
Market penetration.
हम्म.
Diversification.
Product
Cost leadership.
development.
Products.
Mark.
Okay.
Diversification.
Okay. What is market penetration?
So, like when the company is entering into the existing market with the existing product, so they plan to keep the prices low in order to gain customers' attention more.
Okay. What is product development? What is market development?
Certain product development, the product is new, but there is existing market. So,
Okay.
like any innovation into the product is preferred.
Okay.
Sir,
Then,
market development is a new product in the existing market. Sorry, it's the opposite.
What is diversification?
New project and new market.
Okay. New product in a new market. Okay. Then how do we apply this here? What could be the next step for Corjets? है ना? What should or what could Corjets possibly do in the future? अभी इतना किया, अभी what are the next options that the company might consider? ठीक है, for growth, for survival, for any of these points. ठीक है, इधर देखिए, मार्केट पेनिट्रेशन, एड मोर फ्लाइट्स और फ्रीक्वेंसीज ऑन पॉपुलर एग्जिस्टिंग रूट्स, इंक्रीज सीट ऑक्यूपेंसी। गोद में बैठा दो एक दूसरे के, और क्या करेंगे फॉर इंक्रीजिंग सीट ऑक्यूपेंसी। देन मार्केट डेवलपमेंट, एक्सपांड टू न्यू सिटीज और कंट्रीज इन हंड्रिया नॉट येट सर्व्ड, पॉइंट टू पॉइंट सर्विस। देन प्रोडक्ट डेवलपमेंट, ऑफर न्यू पेड सर्विसेज वाया ऐप, बैगेज अपग्रेड, सीट सिलेक्शन, आजकल लेते हैं ना 300 रुपया सीट सिलेक्शन का एवरी टाइम यू डू इट, राइट। एंड देन डाइवर्सिफिकेशन, कार्गो चार्टर ऑपरेशंस और पार्टनरशिप्स विद ट्रैवल फर्म्स। Again, not happening right now, but could be checked in the future. See, charter planes we saw na that day ki it's like a small aircraft and 10, 12 people can together do use it, and this is again basically provided by the uh, travel and tourism operators. They are the link between the two. ठीक है, then balanced scorecard, which is again a performance measurement indicator, financial, customer, internal process, learning and growth. From a financial perspective, what is the KPI or what is the evidence that you can see? Revenue and profits are rising. Talk about ROCE percentage. Talk about customer ka, overall from the customer perspective. Talk about customer satisfaction levels. Talk about punctuality. That is given to you in the graph. नया कुछ आप कुछ भी अपने मन से नहीं डाल रहे हो, taking it from there. Then internal processes, automation, digital app, efficient fleet, learning and growth, staff training and development, innovation culture. See if any of these, they have an innovation culture. So these are just the current KPIs or indicators, and whether you have to improve them or not, or whether the client wants you to work on that, that will come in the, that will depend upon what is asked in the exhibit. But we have done a basic balanced scorecard analysis here. Then when it comes to the risk part of it, risk में तो अपने को in depth, we'll have to go, and we'll have to identify. When I say risk, we basically are looking at what can go wrong. And when we are looking at what can go wrong, uska find out the probability, that is the likelihood of that event occurring, and then try to link it with the impact. If that event occurs, what is the impact? ठीक है, now every exam that you ever attempt will also expect you to do a stakeholder mapping. अच्छा, ऐसा नहीं है कि all the four quadrants there have to be filled ना. There could be cases where only three are filled and there is no fourth classification. For example, institutional investors, they are high power, high interest people. You have to manage them closely. Employees are medium power but high interest people. Keep them informed and motivated. Customers, high power, high interest. Again, monitor them, manage them closely. Airports or ground handlers, high power, medium interest. Build partnerships, negotiate contracts. Regulators or government, high power, medium interest, keep satisfied. Founders are retired, low par, low interest, you don't have to do anything about them. वो है, they exist, but you are not supposed to do anything, you know to make them happy specifically. ठीक है, then scenario planning, sensitivity analysis. See, I have done it here, but you do this, don't do it as a part of pre-scene. Do it if this kind of information is given in the exhibit. जैसे fuel costs right now make up 22% of the total cost. ठीक है, assume it, if there is a 20% increase in fuel cost, तो ये 22% मतलब it will grow by another 4.4%, and if the current profit before tax is 500, it could reduce the profit by 220. अब ये जो मैंने लिया है, ये मैंने just एक एग्जाम्पल दिखाया है आपको कि This might have to be done in the paper because if the cost goes up, the profit goes down, naturally it could spell disaster for the company. So it might become a critical point if that kind of data is asked in the paper. दिया होगा तो otherwise करने का जरूरत नहीं है. In this case, they are specifically asking you about their predetermined key performance indicators. What are those? Available seat kilometers, that is capacity offered, increase utilization by optimizing schedule and aircraft turnaround. Aircraft turnaround means it goes from Mumbai to Delhi. तो दिल्ली में 6 घंटे तुम बैठ के वेस्ट की, या सेम फ्लाइट केम बैक इन अनदर 2 hours. So if you do that, then naturally the available seat kilometers increase. Then revenue, passenger kilometers, actual usage by paying customers. Try to stimulate demand through pricing and marketing. ये this is just predictive work that we are doing. ठीक है, ये एग्जिबिट में जो होगा उसके हिसाब से आपका आंसर बनेगा. ठीक है. देन लोड फैक्टर, efficiency of capacity use increase by targeting high demand routes. you know, जैसे नागपुर दिल्ली फ्लाइट इज नॉट रियली फुल्ली बुक्ड मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम बिकॉज द नंबर ऑफ पैसेंजर्स इज लेस. दिन में 2-3 फ्लाइट है. Mumbai Delhi could have possibly, like 35 flights in a day. And I'm just giving an example. I don't know how many flights work, but समझो 35 flights है. I'm sure most of them usually are houseful. Why? Because it is a frequently traveled route. तो उस रूट पे आपका लोड फैक्टर कैपेसिटी यूटिलाइजेशन विल बी बेटर. सो दैट इज व्हाट यू आर गिविंग देम एज अ फर्दर एक्शनेबल. अगर पूछा तो दिस कैन बी योर आंसर कि इंक्रीज बाय टारगेटिंग हाई डिमांड रूट्स. ठीक है. देन रेवेन्यू पर अवेलेबल सीट किलोमीटर, रेवेन्यू एफिशिएंसी, बूस्ट थ्रू एंसिलरीज, डायनामिक प्राइसिंग. जैसे अभी दीज पीपल आर लाइक सीट बुकिंग का पैसा दो, देन हैंडबैग का पैसा दो, कल बोलेंगे सीट बेल्ट का पैसा दो. All of these things. So that's ancillary revenue streams that you are trying to develop. And CO2 per passenger is about sustainability and efficiency. If because you have a modern fleet, it might help you to keep CO2 under control. ठीक है. अगेन इंडिकेटिव इंफॉर्मेशन है, यही होगा ऐसा जरूरी नहीं है. ना रिस्क रजिस्टर, we talk about risk category, strategic fuel price volatility and foreign exchange exposure. Fuel price is 22% of total cost, highly volatile global prices and multiple currencies across hundreds. ठीक है. Now ये likelihood and impact, ये मैंने just एक indicate, the data doesn't contain the 4 and the 5. I have kept it as 0 to 5 का scale. 5 means highest impact, 5 means highest likelihood. तो small change in fuel price can trigger major cash flow challenges for the company, major profitability issues for the company. So impact is highest possible. ठीक है. What is the risk score? Again, you don't have to make this. You just need to know कि यार strategic risk है, fuel price volatility and forex exposure, and you have limited basically there is not much that you can do here. Why? Because if the crude oil price goes up for whatever reason, Russia Ukraine war हो गया, कुछ भी हो गया, if the fuel price goes up, everybody suffers. There is nothing you can do to tackle that beyond the point. वो आपको देना ही पड़ेगा. Too much hedging also will not help you. ठीक है. Then airport slot scarcity and rising ground handling cost. Ground handling cost is 27% of cost, congestion increasing, airports raising fees. ठीक है. सी अब मैंने देखो यहाँ पे क्या किया है. आई हैव गिवन हाईएस्ट इम्पैक्ट टू दिस, उसके बाद आई हैव गिवन 4 का इम्पैक्ट रेटिंग टू दिस. अब आपको ये रेटिंग वेटिंग नहीं बनाना है, ये जस्ट मैं आपको दिखा रहा हूं कि हाउ इज द रिस्क रजिस्टर मेड. यू जस्ट हैव टू नो कि यार दीज आर सिग्निफिकेंट रिस्क, हु इज द और व्हाट इज द इम्पैक्ट ऑफ दैट रिस्क एंड हाउ डू यू टैकल दैट रिस्क. ठीक है. साइबर सिक्योरिटी और आईटी सिस्टम फेलियर, firewalls and routine IT checks, limited redundancy, and build mirrored backup, then servers and cloud disaster recovery systems, implement regular cyber penetration testing. So basically, I've put together all the possible areas that can go wrong. ठीक है. When I say, see, this is what I'm saying. Likelihood and impact, you don't have to calculate that in numbers. I am just showing you that this is how it happens in real life. This is just an illustration. Nobody is asking you to do this. Second point, nobody will ask you to make a risk register also. but you should know who is the risk owner, how do you tackle that risk. The numbers part, I have just given it to you for illustration. You are not supposed to do that in the paper. Please keep that in mind. I am repeating, I have just given that to show you कि एग्जाम में मतलब रियल लाइफ में कैसे होता है, नॉट सपोज टू बी डन इन द पेपर। ठीक है। अब जैसे रिस्क हीट मैप वगैरह भी हो गया, वो थोड़ी आप दिखा सकते हो ना, देयर इज नो वे यू कैन शो अ रिस्क हीट मैप, बट यू नो विच इज द मोस्ट सिग्निफिकेंट रिस्क एंड यू नो विच इज द रिस्क आफ्टर दैट। तो हाई मीडियम लो में यू कैन क्लासिफाई ऑल योर रिस्क, राइट? दैट इज द एक्सपेक्टेशन। नाउ व्हेन वी टॉक अबाउट प्री सीन एनालिसिस, ये तो हमने कर लिया। आपका जो एक्चुअल एग्जाम का प्री सीन होगा, उसके लिए भी वील स्पेंड, एज आई टोल्ड यू, वील स्पेंड वन फुल डे फॉर दैट। बट वो प्री सीन एनालिसिस के बाद एक्चुअल जो एक्टिविटी आपको करना है, प्लीज अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट दैट एक्टिविटी इज। ठीक है। दिस इज द सेकंड स्टेप इन आर एनालिसिस। ये दिया है आपको, प्री सीन हो गया, बैकग्राउंड, अभी ये एग्जिबिट दिया है। ठीक है। व्हाट आई वांट यू टू डू एज द नेक्स्ट स्टेप, ठीक है, एग्जिबिट को पहले छोड़ो, गो टू टास्क। इधर का टास्क भी देखो कितना बड़ा है। ठीक है। कैन यू रीड टास्क वन का ए एंड टेल मी यहां से लेके यहां तक, एंड पार्ट बी यहां से लेके यहां तक। टेक 2 minutes एंड टेल मी each task in 5 to 6 words only. I want you to describe the requirement in 5 to 6 words. Take your time, think about it. ठीक है। रीड इट केयरफुली, देन वील डिस्कस इट टुगेदर। ठीक है। चलो, टेल मी द फर्स्ट टास्क वन ए का रिक्वायरमेंट इन 5 to 6 words।
सर ये बेसिकली कंपैरिजन बनाना है, कंपैरिजन ऑफ प्रॉब्लम ऑफ लीडरशिप स्टाइल्स, पहले कैसे था और बाद में कैसा है।
So previous leadership style must have caused certain problems. So issues with old leadership change because of new leadership. ठीक है. So write this down in your notebook. Task 1 है issues dash old leadership impact dash current leadership. इतना ही लिखो. ठीक है. ओके. सेकंड टास्क बताओ. व्हाट इज द सेकंड टास्क इन, सॉरी, टास्क 1B बताओ इन मिनिमम पॉसिबल वर्ड्स. Who can tell me? Janvi, can you tell me?
Sir, we have to explain the key roles of NEDs and how is the diverse board helping the company, I guess. This is what they ask.
Okay. Role of NED and importance of a diverse board. ठीक है. Yes, Pinky, tell me.
This is practically how placing the board of directors is not actually balanced. You can do five executive non-NAD and six PD. You have to explain the importance of them.
No, don't tell me the solution. Just tell me the requirement. अभी तक I have not even gone to the solution. Yes, Zainab.
So it tries to get an answer from us about the skills and the different backgrounds and values and like as in what education they bring to the board and
No,
stuff
no,
like
no, no,
that.
no. इतना डिटेल में नहीं, कम से कम वर्ड्स में. रोल ऑफ एनईडी एंड इंपॉर्टेंस ऑफ डाइवर्स बोर्ड, इतना ही है ना. What is my ask? My ask is you just have to write down the requirement in minimum possible words, because every time you can't keep on reading so much, right? When you are framing the answer, you need to know the requirement. In the first part, when you write down problems, old leadership, impact, new leadership, you know exactly what you have to search in the data, right? Here when you write down role of NED, importance of diverse board, हो गया. इसमें भी आई वॉन्ट यू टू डू द सेम एक्टिविटी. नाउ आपका होमवर्क क्या है? आपका होमवर्क है ईच रिक्वायरमेंट यू विल फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल राइट डाउन इन 5 to 6 words. Don't write full sentences. You are not writing a LinkedIn post telling me how brilliantly you have studied SBL. This is not that. You are not writing on Insta. You are only going to fulfill this expectation. 5 to 6 words में मुझे आप डिस्क्राइब करके दो आपका रिक्वायरमेंट क्या है. ठीक है. यू विल गेट 6 lines one below the other. Task 1A 1B 2A 2B 3A 3B. उसके बाद what is the next step that I want you to do? ये देख लिया आपने. की रोल ऑफ कॉर्जेट्स एनईडीज, असेस द इंपॉर्टेंस ऑफ हैविंग अ डाइवर्स बोर्ड. यहाँ पे प्रॉब्लम्स कॉज्ड. अब आपके पास 4 एग्जिबिट है. ठीक है. 4 एग्जिबिट देखो एंड गो टू ईच एग्जिबिट वन बाय वन. जैसे अब आई हैव डन दिस क्वेश्चन 4 times तो मुझे पता है आंसर कहाँ पे. बट ओपन द एग्जिबिट. अभी आज के एक्टिविटी में प्री सीन मत देखो. ठीक है. डोंट लुक एट द प्री सीन एट ऑल. डू दिस एक्टिविटी. ठीक है. यहां पे लिखा है प्रॉब्लम्स इन कल्चर कॉज्ड बाय प्रीवियस लीडरशिप, इंपैक्ट ऑफ न्यू लीडरशिप. इधर आप चेक करो फर्स्ट एग्जिबिट में कुछ इंफॉर्मेशन है क्या. 10 years ago, Corjets was hierarchical and there was no connection between senior leaders and staff. I wanted staff to have autonomy to make decisions for areas which they were experts in, particularly in customer relationship management. We weren't making adequate use of knowledge, blah, 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 blah. What were the problems that you faced and how did you address them? तो यहाँ पे पुराने लीडरशिप में क्या प्रॉब्लम था. ठीक है. और हाउ डिड द न्यू लीडरशिप सॉल्व दैट प्रॉब्लम. तो थिंक अबाउट इट दिस वे. How do I want you to gather points? अच्छा, remember, answer has to be picked up only from this. अपने मन से नहीं. It has to be picked up only from this. Write down one problem with the old one, solution of the new leadership. Old, new. ऐसा एक्टिविटी करो. ठीक है. सेकेंड पार्ट ऑफ द क्वेश्चन, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल ऑलवेज ट्राई टू फाइंड आउट कि यार इसका इशू, आप ये जो प्रॉब्लम है ये कौन से एग्जिबिट में है, इन विच एग्जिबिट डू यू हैव मेंशन ऑफ दिस। जैसे यहाँ पे दिख रहा है आपको एनईडीज प्ले अ वाइटल रोल, ठीक है। सो आंसर द एनईडी रिलेटेड पार्ट, रोल ऑफ एनईडी एंड देयर रोल हियर, ठीक है। फिर सेकंड पार्ट में आओ, व्हाट इज सेकंड पार्ट? हाँ, डाइवर्स बोर्ड, असेस द इंपॉर्टेंस टू कॉर्जेट्स ऑफ हैविंग अ डाइवर्स बोर्ड। आप इसमें क्या करेंगे, दो काम करेंगे। स्टडी हब ओपन करो, यू नो देयर इज अ टॉपिक ऑन बोर्ड, यूनिटरी बोर्ड, टू टीयर बोर्ड, राइट। वो चीज ओपन करो, उसमें इंपॉर्टेंस ऑफ डाइवर्स बोर्ड है, वो नोटबुक में लिख लो, नोटबुक नहीं एक्सेल शीट, ठीक है। ये सेकंड टास्क हो गया। फिर थर्ड टास्क आप क्या करेंगे, प्रिपेयर अ रिपोर्ट फॉर द सीएफओ विच असेसेस suitability, acceptability and feasibility of the proposal to invest in AI flight simulation technology. Your answer should recommend with reasons whether it should be undertaken as soon as possible as suggested by the CCO, ठीक है। सो सुटेबिलिटी, एक्सेप्टेबिलिटी, फिजिबिलिटी अपना इस पे डिस्कशन हो गया है। यू हैव द नोट्स रिलेटेड टू दिस, ओपन द नोट्स। यहां पे चेक करो कि इज इट सुटेबल फॉर दिस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन और नॉट। विल इट बी एक्सेप्टेबल, मतलब एक्सेप्टेबल टू एम्प्लॉयज होगा क्या, एक्सेप्टेबल टू शेयर होल्डर्स होगा क्या। एंड व्हेन आई टॉक अबाउट feasibility, what is feasibility? Is it financially possible to do it? Are there any legal restrictions on getting that done? तो डोंट गो ओवरबोर्ड। टास्क टू के लिए क्या करो, टास्क टू के लिए एग्जिबिट टू, एग्जिबिट थ्री, एग्जिबिट फोर, तीनों में से आइडेंटिफाई विच एग्जिबिट रिलेट्स टू दिस एंड पिक आउट पॉइंट्स टू आंसर सुटेबिलिटी, एक्सेप्टेबिलिटी, फीजिबिलिटी ओनली फ्रॉम द एग्जिबिट। फॉर एग्जाम्पल, ठीक है, one Hungarian country has invested the equivalent of over 2 to 5 billion in AI pilot training system for its military pilots. Feedback has been highly positive. Now, the training the other country did was for military pilots. You are not operating military flights ना, आप तो commercial fly कर रहे हो। तो this point could be that it was applied to military planes, and here the situation is about what? Situation is about commercial flights. So it worked there, which is why it should work here, is not the right deduction because वो military planes के लिए यूज हुआ, these are commercial flights. So suitability का जो आपका पैरामीटर है, it is not so suitable because you don't have any evidence of success in an exactly similar business. ऐसे आपको दिमाग लगाना है, ठीक है। अब फिनेंशियल पॉइंट्स के लिए मे बी यू विल हैव टू गो थ्रू द परफॉर्मेंस रिपोर्ट, मे बी वो एक आप चेक करेंगे, ठीक है। देन discuss the dynamic nature of principal risk, assess the potential consequences of each of these risks for Corjets, ठीक है। कौन से रिस्क है आपके पास? तीन प्रिंसिपल रिस्क है, एक्सटर्नल अटैक ऑन और फेलियर ऑफ क्रिटिकल टेक्नोलॉजी, सिग्निफिकेंट सेफ्टी सिक्योरिटी, क्लाइमेट चेंज एंड इको पॉलिसीज एंड रेगुलेशंस, ठीक है। ये आपके हैं तीन प्रिंसिपल रिस्क, करेक्ट। नाउ what impact will it have on the company? Can you look at the data and create your own rough background कि ये रिस्क है, this is the description, this is what we'll do. I want you to do this activity in a little detail. ये जो मैं आपको तीन टास्क्स बोल रहा हूं, मैं आपको पूरा आंसर लिखवाऊंगा, डोंट वरी, बट आई वॉन्ट यू टू डू दिस एक्टिविटी बिफोर टुमारो। डोंट राइट फुल सेंटेंसेस, आपने ऐसे पॉइंटर पॉइंटर लिखा तो भी चलेगा, बट रिस्ट्रिक्ट योर सेल्फ टू द डेटा गिवन टू यू इन द एग्जिबिट्स। अवॉइड गोइंग टू द प्री सीन जहां तक पॉसिबल है, अवॉइड ओपनिंग द स्टडी हब ऑल्सो, जस्ट लुक एट दिस डेटा एंड डू दिस मच एनालिसिस। ये कर पाएंगे कल के लिए? फिर आपने जो एनालिसिस किया है उसके बेसिस पे आई विल कंस्ट्रक्ट द पॉइंटर्स फॉर यू, ठीक है। एसएएफ में क्या आएगा, कहाँ कहाँ पे क्या क्या आएगा, देन आफ्टर दैट ऑन फ्राइडे वील कंस्ट्रक्ट द फुल आंसर। फ्राइडे को प्रेजेंटेशन पे ध्यान देंगे, कल कंटेंट पे ध्यान देंगे कि कौन से पॉइंट्स आने चाहिए, फ्राइडे को उसको प्रेजेंट कैसे करना है उस पे ध्यान देंगे। आफ्टर डूइंग दिस एक्टिविटी यू विल रियलाइज, अच्छा चलो, आई विल नॉट पुट द रियलाइजेशन ऑन यू, I just want you to go through it. I'll ask you some questions tomorrow, then you answer. बस एक एक्सेल शीट में पॉइंटर 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 लिखो. रोल ऑफ एनईडी क्या है, देन बेनिफिट्स ऑफ अ डाइवर्स बोर्ड क्या है, बस इतना लिखो. ठीक है, करेंगे इतना एक्टिविटी बिफोर टुमारोज सेशन. वेरी गुड. डू इट. एंड इट्स ओके इफ यू डोंट सेंड दैट टू मी टुमारो. ठीक है, वो मत भेजो. बट पीपल हु हैव नॉट डन द एनालिसिस ऑफ प्रीसीन, ट्राई टू सेंड इट टू मी. ठीक है, चलो. आई विल सी यू टुमारो, बट थोड़ा सा प्रिपेयर करके आओ यार, तो ही इट विल बी फन. अदरवाइज इट्स नो यूज इफ आई एम ओनली ब्लैबरिंग एंड यू आर लिसनिंग. ठीक है, गेट क्रिएटिव बट नॉट टू क्रिएटिव. वो जो एक मैंने बाउंड्री बना के दिया है ना, उसके बाहर आपको नहीं जाना है. बाउंड्री क्या है? ओनली द एग्जिबिट. थोड़ा सा कुछ लगा तो प्रीसीन देख लेना. ठीक है, आई एम सेंडिंग द वर्ड फाइल ऑन द ग्रुप. ठीक है, ओनली लुक एट द एग्जिबिट एंड द प्रीसीन एंड कम टुमारो थोड़ा सा प्रिपेयर्ड. देन वील गेट द कंटेंट्स ऑफ द आंसर इन प्लेस. ओके, चलो.
Sir, for that role of NED, we
हम्म.
just have to stick to what is given in that paragraph, right? Not
Yes, as much as possible, try to stick to this. Don't go
or
over.
for NED, we can write external points too, right?
You can write what?
External points too,
अच्छा
apart
चलो,
from.
कल के एक्सरसाइज के लिए ना लिख के आओ, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. कल के लिए लिख के आओ, देन वील डिस्कस इट.
Okay, sir.
Yes,
Thank you.
Zainab, tell me.
Hi, sir. So I did the activity that was given yesterday with the pre-scene, and I faced a lot of difficulty in finding the uh, exact concept. As in, I compared it with the Excel that you were showing right now, the PDF, and I've got somewhat of the crust correct, but there's a lot of variation when it comes to marking percentages and other points, and even the table format and all I have not got correct. So I
Did
was a
you go
little
through the graph?
worried
Did
as
you
in
go
where to
through the graphs?
go.
Wait. Did you go through the graphs?
Yeah, I did, but it's just that I couldn't correlate with the stuff that I was writing, and I think that's a very weak point. I've done that before in other papers, and I don't know how to tackle it because I feel like even if I write the matter, there are like bare minimum 2 3 percentages that you can see in a whole long sentence or theory page. So it's I actually freaked out about it.
No, don't worry. See, when you look at the answers that you are framing for, or the background points that you are framing for the activity that I have described today, you will see how little relevance the pre-scene has for writing these answers.
Okay.
To answer your point, how to connect that, I'll tell you. Don't worry. When we
Okay, perfect, sir.
I'll tell you how to do that.
Yeah, I'll also send over my homework that you had given,
Mhm.
and I'll go through the corrections that you'll put in there and improve on it. Thank
Sure.
you so much, sir.
Most welcome. ठीक है, चलो. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.